Good morning, students. Let's continue with our chapter PowerPoint 2010 Special Effect Part 2. Students, in our previous video, we have discussed about template and how to format the background in PowerPoint. And we have also discussed how to open MS PowerPoint. So, let's give a short revision in template. Template can contain layout, theme color, theme fonts, theme effects, background style, and even content also. Okay. And how to format background? If you want to format any background, first you have to right click on that page and then click on format option. Then choose your color, whatever color you want. Choose your color, then you can set your background also in PowerPoint. Now students, today we will discuss about formatting text. Changing alignment, we can adjust the alignment of the text within the placeholder or text box using the paragraph group on the home tab, and we can change it by changing the horizontal alignment and changing the vertical alignment. Now I will show you how we can change horizontal and vertical alignment. Students, we are discussing about formatting text. Now you can see here, this is our PowerPoint. Okay, if you will open PowerPoint and if you will create some presentation, it will look like this. Okay, now I will show you where this alignment option is. First, you have to go in this home tab. Here you have to go home tab. You have to click here. Then you can see here paragraph is here. You can see paragraph is here. Whatever alignment you want, you can change from here. So many things are there. You can see, just click on this triangle. You can see here. First you have to click here in this triangle. You can see top is there, middle is there, bottom is there. Whatever alignment you want, more options are there. Whatever you want, you can see from here. Students, our next topic is inserting different objects. Objects like clip art, word art and shapes can be also be inserted in a PowerPoint presentation in the same way as we done in Word. Okay, now I will show you how we can insert images and shapes in the PowerPoint. First I will show you how to insert anything with the help of clip art. Okay, first you have to go in this, you want to insert anything, so you have to go in this insert option. Click here in this insert, just click and you can see clip art is here. Here it is written clip art. Just click here. When you will click on this clip art, a dialog box will appear here in this side. Okay, and whatever you want, you can search from here. Just I want to search an image of tiger. I am going to type here tiger, and afterwards click on go option. Click here. If tiger is here, it will show you. Now tiger is here, and don't worry, just you have to click in this tiger and you can see the tiger will appear in the screen here. Now you can see tiger is here. Suppose if you want image of a rabbit, then what you have to do, just go in this clip art, then search for a rabbit. Like type here rabbit with the help of keyboard. You may type rabbit. I'm going to type RABBIT, rabbit, and afterwards click on go option. Click here, go. If rabbit is here, it will show, but I have written wrong spelling, that's why it is not able to find. Spelling of rabbit is RABBIT, rabbit. So you must have to write the right spelling also. Now you can see rabbit is here. Just you have to click here and rabbit is here. You can adjust it. Okay, where you want this rabbit, you can adjust it. Now you can see I have inserted an image of tiger, then an image of rabbit. In this way you can use clip art. Next topic is inserting word art. Word art is also as same as in clip art. Go to in this insert option, click here, and word art is here. Go and click here, then choose whatever you want, click anyone, and what you want to write, anything whatever you want to write, you may write here. First delete this, it is written there. Enter your text, you may write your text, whatever you want you may write. Now I have written welcome, you can see welcome is written here. Next topic is inserting shapes. Now I will show you how to insert a shape. Same way you have to go in this insert option, click here insert option, then shapes option is there, click here shapes, whatever shape you want to insert. Suppose I want to insert a smiley face, then I will select here a smiley face. Okay, then just you have to drag it with the help of keyboard, you may drag it. With the help of mouse you can do it. Now you can see the shapes is here. You can change the color also with the help of this box. Change it with the yellow color. Now you can see the outline is in yellow color. Our next topic is save presentation in PowerPoint. Now I will show you how to save. First you have to go in this office button, click here, then save option is there, click on this save option, and whatever name it will ask, give that name. I hope students you understood this video. Thank you and